Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So I'm back. It's been a long while. I haven't had it in me to record because even though we're in lockdown, I am still working. So I'm still doing my normal 39 hours a week. So I am still quite tired. Even though there's not a lot of people, it's still quite knackering because in retail you get a lot of people, you know, being so awful to retail workers at this time, and it's just why. But today I'm feeling a little bit different. The sun's out, you know, sun's out, guns out, you know what I'm saying? I got my arms out and everything today. So yeah, I'm gonna record a look. I've got a lot of new stuff, like a lot, and I don't know why I keep doing this. I just buy makeup. I buy loads of makeup online, and when I see them I'm like, oh my god, this is so nice, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna use it, and then it's just sitting there because I just, on my days off, I want to have a day off, you know what I'm saying? I just want to relax because then I gotta go back and face it at work again. So I mean, like, I've got so much makeup. I even bought the James Charles palette. This was on sale for like £20. No comment on the gentleman who made this palette. I'm not particularly fond of him, to be honest. Don't hold it against me, it's my opinion. The only thing I like is this palette, and this purple right here is stunning. So I bought it. What I also bought was the new collection, the Revolution CC cream in 6.5. I was going to do a review on this, but I'm waiting until my tan goes because I done tan myself. It's my birthday soon. I want to look nice and cute, not dead. So I bought that. Then I bought the powder, CC Perfecting Pressed Powder in Warm Ivory. I also bought the Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer in Cacao. And then I also bought 3 of these lip glosses along with it. These are the Hydra glosses. They were having a 3 for 2 on their website. So I was just like, okay, I'm going to buy it. So yeah, I have a lot of nice stuff in front of me. So anyways, I'm just gonna go create a look today, whatever I'm feeling. I want to use the James Charles palette because like it's brand new. I might as well dip into it now and start using it. Copper feel. I've tried it before, but not like fully. Not fully. I feel like I can really express myself today with how I'm feeling. So I'm gonna go use this palette. Okay, so I'm gonna prep my face quickly. I'm probably gonna skip right through all that stuff, but I'll let you know what I'm using. So let me just show you all at once. I'm gonna be using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is my first time using it. Again, this is something brand new. I bought this, I bought the mask, and I bought the mist as well. I don't know why I keep spending money, but I just do. And I'm also going to use the CBD, the Revolution Skincare CBD Super Serum, and the Glow Elixir together. I love the original CBD oil, love it. So now I use the CBD Super Serum. I think I'm going to use this as well, actually. I'm going to use all these 3 and a moisturizer together. I can't forget the oil. I'm going to pop a little bit of the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream under my eyes as well. I don't think I've done skincare for about a month now. I haven't worn makeup in a month, so let me just see as what I can do for now. Fix all those days of not using skincare. You know, I applied the moisturizer at night and stuff, like a night moisturizer, but the normal day stuff, The only time I ever stick to a full skincare is before I go to bed, before I put on some facial tanner. That's about it. Okay, my usual recipe for foundation would be the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in 100 Linen and the Stila Stale Day Foundation and Concealer. I only use the foundation in number 8 Honey. Mainly, I use most of this because right now, it might not look it, but I'm actually quite tan and I'm loving it because I look healthy, I look alive. And I love it. So I'm going to use mostly some of this and just like the odd couple droplets of this. Okay, and just blend that in with a sponge. Okay, for the concealer, I'm going to use the Glossier Stretch Concealer in G9. Try some of this under my eyes. I ain't ever used this before, so you can see how it goes. I don't know if it's too dark either. Actually, no, this should be fine. Nice. And just with my sponge, buffing that in. And then with some Fenty Beauty Loose Powder in Butter, I'm just going to take a sponge and press the powder in to really set that concealer. Because the concealer is supposed to be really, it says stretchable, so it moves around a lot. And it can move around a lot, so I like to set it to make sure it don't move around a lot. And with the same powder, I'm just going to take a nice fluffy brush and set the rest of my face. Alright, for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Dark Brown eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to fill them in. I haven't done my eyebrows in quite a long time, so I'm hoping I can do a nice strong brow. Bronzer, I'm using the Kiko Waterflower Magic in 02 Natural Sienna. This is the shade I usually use when I am tanning. To contour, I'm going to use the Makeup Geek contour pan in Infidelity. This is a wonderful shade. I love this so much, and that is literally just a contour. Okay, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Morphe eyelid primer in Translucent. Oh, that's a lot. Right. Okay, with the Revolution Bacon Blot powder in Lace, I'm just going to take some of that on a fluffy brush and set my eyelids. I always set my eyelids because I feel like it's a lot easier to blend when the base is set than when it's creamy. Powders can just kind of like sit and they won't blend, depending on the powder obviously, but I prefer it dry. Okay, I'm gonna take the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take the shade here, which is called Boutique. I'm just gonna pack this first just on the lower part of my lid in the center, like that, and then to the corners. And then I'm gonna build it up to where I actually want the shadows to go. Gonna create kind of like a half moon shape. And then slightly buff the edges. I'm gonna take this color here, which is called Code James. It's a nice orange tone right here. And I'm just going to buff the edges really gently with this color. I'm just gonna build up the density of the color little by little, Still blending really gently. Like the brush is barely touching my skin, it's very light. And then I'm just buffing it out. I like to buff mine out wing like, so like this way. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this color here, which is called Tune. It is like a muted pastel yellow. Really nice color. Just on a fluffy brush and just on the edge of the orange, we're just going to slightly buff that out. I don't know if it will make a difference, but I'm hoping I can add a tad bit of yellow up in here. Even if it doesn't, it will nicely just blend out the colors. Okay, so I'm going to use this color right here, the black, and it's called Spooky. I'm just gonna circle this outer corner. This is how I do it for my eyes. Kind of just circle it. So I go back and forth up to where my eyelids fold, so where the line is. And then with the remaining product, slightly bring it up and wing it out. Okay, so I'm gonna add some eyeliner to my eyes. I'm gonna put the Metal Eyes by Gosh in 004 Silverstone. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. I usually like silver because it really makes your eyes stand out. I love it. Some of it's gone on my lash line, that is okay. I kind of want it like that because I'm going to put some eyeshadow down here. Okay, so I'm going to take Boutique. I'm going to take Miss Boutique over here on my smudger brush. I'm going to smudge really close to the silver on my lash line. And then that yellow again, just to bring everything together. I'm going to use the Lash Queen Majestic Lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use the brightest thing that I have, which is the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Love, Goddess of Faith Triple Baked Highlighter. I'm going to take some of this and add this to my inner corner and under the arch of my eyebrows. No surprise there. Okay, so I'm going to use these two highlighters. I have Becca Champagne Pop and I have Revlon Skin Lights in Daybreak Glimmer. So I got these two right here. And I'm just going to dip it in both of them. First Champagne Pop and then swirl it around in some of that Skin Lights. Just pop it on like that. Down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. And then for blush, I'm gonna go in with Hot. This is the Morphe 8C Cool Pro palette. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm gonna use the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle. And then I'm going to top it off with the Revolution Pro Hydro Gloss in Tainted. I'm going to try that out. Okay, don't mind me. This is the first time I've ever done my top lip like this. So I'm just trying to, you know, just trying to see how it looks. So I'm going to use the lip gloss. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wipe away the lip gloss a little bit because I want the lip to be a little bit more clear. Okay, I'm going to spray my face with, I say this every time, this is actually Revolution, Makeup Revolution Illuminating Face and Body Spray, Glow Revolution in Eternal Gold. But I've just put it in a MAC Fix Plus bottle. So this is actually Revolution Setting Spray. Do you know what? I'm going to add a little bit of Kiko 3D Hydra Lip Gloss in 005. That's 05. Just on top because I need some sparkle. Okay, so this is the final look. I've had to sit all the way back here because on this camera mode it zooms you too far in. So yeah, this is the final look. Looking at my screen, I think I look snatched. Let's just call this snatch my early birthday look. So this is what I'm gonna look like. No, it's not, but hey. So yeah, this is my look. Pretty much that is using the James Charles palette. I know, I kind of like it. I'm really feeling it. I haven't looked glam in a really long time, and this lip look right now, my lips have never looked so full in my life. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.